Howdy ho, my little YouTubers out there in YouTube land. Sorry about the last couple of days. I've been so busy at the Christmas market, and you know what I'm like. So today I want to do this United States of America, $1. But first, before I do that, this little girl came up to me yesterday on the market, and she wants this for her brother. It's a Finnish coin ring, but she wants, what is it? She wants size 57. It was nearly 57. This is a size 57.5. So I've got to make it a little bit smaller for her. So I thought I'd just chuck this as well. So we go over to Spike. Yeah, bit of Christmas stuff, eh? Come on. Be Easter soon. Right. So she wants this a little bit smaller, just a little bit. So I said I'd do it today for her. I mean, it doesn't need anything really. But I thought, you know, little girl, loves her brother. I think that's a 57. Yeah, it didn't need much, just a little bit of a tweak. Right, okay, back to the main event. Okay, so first of all, we've got to punch a hole in this little baby. Yeah, I just couldn't do it yesterday or the day before. I've been so busy, it's been crazy. Because I weren't too sure if I was going to get this spot or not, so I didn't make enough glass. So I'm making bloody glass all the time now. I just made a couple of bracelets and some more earrings, and they're in the kiln clicking away. You might hear that. This centre, there's a bit more there. There you go. In the Christmas mood. Right, the big Bertha, and she's still working, and she's still dripping. Look at that. Jesus wept. She's going to stop working soon, I just know it. I know she gets a bit excited, but Jesus wept. Come on, darling, sort yourself out. Right. Do we need to slap it on the bottom? No, we don't. Yeah, it's crazy at the moment. Yeah, lovely little girl. She's about, I don't know, 13 maybe, 14. So I says, yeah, of course I'll do it for you. That's what I do, you know. I've sold a few rings on the market. Making them, and well, you've probably seen the videos. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you so much. Love you all. You're star players in my eyes. Don't forget to hit that like button. I need some more love. It didn't work today because it's Independence Day in Finland. So all the shops are closed, and the bars are still open though, funnily enough. Ooh. But I didn't indulge today. I've been making bloody glass all bloody morning. -4 today. It's a bit slippery out there. Quite sunny though. That's why it's a lot colder. Quite sad in here on this coin today. It's a bit rough. There you go. That'll do. That looks nice and clean. Right, let's break out Bernie, the good old fire starter. And I should have a lighter here somewhere. I did, before I started filming, I got everything ready, so I didn't have to start looking for anything. And guess what? Yep, you guessed it. There it is. If I was to show you the rest of this table, you'd be disgusted, honestly. I've only got a small workspace. I've got a kiln on the left hand side clicking away, Big Bertha on the right hand side, and I'm stuck in the middle with you. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am. Okie dokie. Right. Yeah, and Sundays we don't start on the market until 12. So I'm thinking I'll try and make a few videos on Sunday, and then my girlfriend can post one a day. So what are we doing? Well, it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring, isn't it? Really. That goes face down. I put my jumper on here today because my kiln's been on all day and the window's open to get rid of some of the heat. Right, it's Big Red. Big Bad Red. Can't go all the way. I'll try this one. Maybe a bit more in this one. Right, and it might fit this one now with a bit of luck. Yeah. Just a little bit of luck. Yeah, I came home last night and my girlfriend had put a Father Christmas in here and some tinsel around Big Bertha. Right, where's Sandy? Oh my God, where's Sandy gone? Sandy. Well, no Sandy. I can use this instead. The good old nail file. I'm just making sure there's no splits or cracks for me. There you go. It's pretty damn sexy. Right, let's take it over to a one and only. And then after I've done these rings, I'll make some more glass. And I'll make some glass hearts. This is Spike, and you all know what Spike does. He stretches your ring. That little laugh was for you, Bear. Right, what are we doing? How's it looking? Bit more. I quite like these $1 coins. I don't think they're used, are they, in the States? Or are they? I was talking to a woman, she says they're quite rare. I don't think they're valuable. I did check on a couple of them. And I don't think they're extra super valuable. No, I mean, this one's worth about $10 million or something, but... Right. This my little finger. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. This isn't for anybody in particular. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Why haven't you subscribed? Come on, stop mucking about. Press that subscribe button. Do it now. Right now. It's there. Hit it, hit it, hit it, come on. And also hit the like button. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. Oh God, where did I put that little girl's ring? Did I put it back in the bag? No, but it's on here somewhere. Okay, calm down for God's sake. All right, now we want to reduce it to straighten up these walls a bit. There's a little bit there I can use. I do like using these 17-degree dies as well to the start of the Oochie Coochie. I just like them. They're so good. How's that looking? A touch more. A touch more. So you done your Christmas shopping? I know I ain't. I know blokes. All the bloody same, we leave it to the last minute, then we're running around like a complete dickhead. Yeah, there's a little bit inside there to rip out. See that lip? That's got to come out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Yeah, I'll try and knock out a few videos on Sunday. And then my girlfriend can upload one. But there's still going to be a few days I miss because I just can't do it. We have to stay there till 8 o'clock now. I was trying to get away at 6. And the 1st of December we was told we have to stay there till 10. So you open at 10 and you close at 8. No, sorry, we have to stay till 8. What am I talking about? I used to try and slide out about 6 o'clock. I mean, I was home for about 6:30 then. You know, a bit of dinner. But now I have to stay till 8. Of course, it's, 6 o'clock, everybody buggers off home and you sort of sat there. Like watching paint dry, grass grow. But, and if I want to go there next year, I don't want to upset them too much. Otherwise, they'll say, no, you can't come again. Oh, it's not that good yet, but it's still early days. Quite a big lip in this one. You got any comments? Come on, let's have them. You got anything you want me to do? Put it in the comments. You got anything you don't want me to do? Put it in the comments. Yeah, nice looking ring. Right, let's break out Dave the Dremel. And there she is. Looking a bit rough, but she's still got a bit of go in her. I want to give this the Edwin look as well. But if you want them polished, I'll polish them for you. I've always been a favourite of the Edwin look, I must admit. You can see straight away it's a coin. I do clear coat them afterwards. Yeah, it's a big day today in Finland, Independence Day. Most people go on the lash, which means on the raz. And if you're American, you don't know what that means, on the piss. Right, what we got, guys and girls? There you go. In God we trust. Right, there you go. Beautiful. Isn't that nice? That's why I use a kitchen roll. And inside it says, stop mucking about and hit the subscribe button. And on this side it says, hit the like button at least. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and I'll catch you all tomorrow with a bit of luck. So bye bye. Be safe. Yo.